Good afternoon, everyone. It's hard to describe how it feels to stand up here. Not because I'm holding this microphone and pretending like I'm not shaking, but because this moment, it means something different to each of us. To me, it means survival. It means resilience. It means that despite everything that tried to hold me back, I'm here. And that means everything. Being chosen as Graduate of the Year is more than an award. It's a reflection of a journey that wasn't smooth or easy and didn't always look like success from the outside. It's a recognition of something deeper, the fight to keep going, to keep growing, even when it would have been easier to stop. I was born with sickle cell SC. That means my body and I have been at war from the beginning. It means hospital visits, pain crises, fatigue, and more days missed from school than I could count. It means not waking up knowing if I'll feel strong today or if I'll fake it just to get through. But it wasn't just the physical. I've struggled with mental health too. Fighting battles in my own mind and carrying pressure I didn't always know how to talk about. There were moments when everything felt too heavy, when I questioned whether I could keep up, whether I belonged. But here's what I've learned. Your struggles do not disqualify you from success. In fact, they're the reason you can reach it. Every obstacle I faced, every overlooked assignment, every breakdown behind closed doors, every quiet comeback I made when no one was watching, those were the moments that shaped me. And if you're sitting here today thinking that you didn't get your moment, that this wasn't your year, or you feel like you're behind, please hear me when I say this. You are not behind. Growth doesn't always happen on schedule. It doesn't always come with awards or applause. Sometimes it looks like just making it through the day. Sometimes it's quiet. But that doesn't make it any less real, any less worthy. This isn't the end of our growth. This isn't even the peak. It's just one step. Whether you're walking across the stage today or still finding your footing, your story is still being written. Now, I'd love to say I completed every module with perfect time management and boundless energy. But the truth is, I'm very familiar with the I'll do it tomorrow and I'll just rest my eyes for 5 minutes turned into whole weekends. Still, every time I came back stronger. And that's the part I'm proud of. To my friends and chosen family, thank you for checking in, for encouraging me, and for celebrating every small win like it was huge. You reminded me I wasn't doing this alone. To my family, thank you for your patience, your strength, your unconditional love, even when I was too tired, too quiet, too discouraged to ask for help. You stood with me. And I want to give a special shout out to someone who has no idea what graduation is, but somehow helped me through it anyway. My dog, Kimchi. He didn't know about deadlines, but he always knew when I needed comfort. Because honestly, he's been a source of unconditional love, joy, and emotional support. Sometimes things felt overwhelming. Kimchi would come up and curl up next to me like, we're gonna be okay. And somehow that was enough to keep going. To the graduating class, we've been through a lot. Not just school, but life. Life that kept happening in the background while we were trying to grow up. And yet we're here. We are not the generation that gave up. We are the ones who kept trying, who held each other up, who turned pain into purpose. You don't need to have it all figured out right now, but I hope you know this. You have already proven that you are capable, not just of graduating, but of growing, of surviving, of starting again and again and again. So let this moment be more than a ceremony. Let it be a reminder that you are stronger than your circumstances, that your story matters, that healing and growth don't end with high school. They evolve with you. And whether your name was called today or not, your journey is worth continuing. But this world needs what you've learned. It needs your strength. It needs your story. So go on with courage. And when it gets hard, and it will, I hope you remember this day. I hope you remember that you made it here, and that if you did it once, you can do it again. Thank you, and congratulations, class of 2025.